Hi, I'm Liz Daher, a birth and postnatal doula with the WOMB, and I'm also one of the instructors for our popular Childbirth Without Fear workshop. This is perhaps one of the most important workshops you could take in preparation for childbirth. This is very focused class talking about the role that fear can play in the birthing process. And I think most of us, if we're being honest with ourselves, have something we're a little afraid of when it comes to birth. Maybe it's an uncertainty, maybe it shows up as anxiety, but there's that bit in the back of our minds that is like, what about this part? This class will help you with that. Now, I'm going to be also really clear on this point. The goal is never to get rid of your fear or pretend it's not there. We don't do that here. The point is to actually acknowledge and bring that fear up to the surface and say it out loud. What is it? What's that worry? Because once we know what it is, we can work with it. And once you say it out loud, really, it takes a lot of the power it holds over you away. So we talk about that a lot. We talk about what does it feel like to go through childbirth when we're really scared? And what's happening in the body? And how does that all relate? So we go deep into this. We talk a lot about the central nervous system, why it's important to stay calm and relaxed. And of course, those things are hard to do when we're experiencing something that maybe is potentially a little bit scary, is hard, is challenging, it feels painful. We cover all of that in this class. And in fact, we talk about the role that fear plays in causing us to feel more pain. And the reverse, of course. How do we work with that and how do we reduce that pain so we can actually birth with ease and feel good about our experience? In this class, we also do a simulated contractions exercise. Now, again, I'm going to be clear, this isn't what a real contraction feels like, but we take you through the process and you can learn a little bit about yourself. You can learn some coping techniques that might be helpful for you. You can learn what doesn't work at all. But the point is to walk away with not something I can tell you about yourself, but something that you take away after having the experience of this class is some powerful knowledge in what might be able to help you during your birth. We also go into some typical comfort measures that as doulas, we tend to use most of the time for most of our clients in birth because there are definitely some tried and true methods that are very effective. It's obviously not an exhaustive list, but we cover what's really important. We help you and your partner practice at home, and we make sure that you have some tools to take away with that you can bring into the birth room with you and feel really confident. Some of our past clients who've taken this class have told us that they walked away instantly feeling more confident. They shared with us that having taken Childbirth Without Fear helped them to feel empowered going into their birth experience. We can't give you the power, but we can certainly help you find it from within, and that's part of what this class is all about.